All right, what's going on, everybody? I'm going to do a quick video here of just introducing this this build part of the Scout. This section is going to be taking off mainly the interior floor pans, cab wedges, and then the back of the trunk area and the quarter panel that we put on it. Basically, this is all just kind of metal work and really just an overview of doing all of that. It was took a lot longer than anticipated on some of it. Big thanks to my buddy Chad for helping me out on that too, because there's just a bunch of little pieces that don't come even when you do the floor pans. This video is gonna kind of just be the overview of that. We're a lot farther ahead, and basically where I started with this project is nowhere near where it's at now. In between when I made this first part of the video, I actually bought another Scout and then another parts truck Scout. So I've got quite a bit to upload and to speed y'all up to, but check out this video, see where I'm at on this section of it, and I'll bring you back up to date here pretty soon on it. But yeah, anyways, here's the video.
This is the good side. Here we start with the bad side.
All right, this is the next section where you cut out the floor pans. You can see all the ribs to the structure there. This is going to be where the floor pan meets, and then the cab wedge, which is where the body mount sits. That's right there where there's a ton of buildup. You can see why these rust out now. They get filled with crud. You can see this one had like a few spots on the side, but just decided to cut it all out anyways. Makes it a little cleaner that way. Same thing here. This is the that half moon section on the quarter panel. We had to cut that out as well.
Yeah, I don't think I'd leave that. It's a little rusty.
Put this little dude in here,
Oh, you need more than that.
and we can cut that section out, and we put that in, put our quarter on, and then slide this up inside of it, put it wherever it's going to be.
Yeah, you know.
And then a bunch of other shops are doing the Raptor liner.
Yeah, inside of that.
Yeah, and then they drill a big old hole right here.
Anything's better than nothing like it had from the factory.
Yeah. So basically everything right here was all right here.
Mm.
And then that's what kind of seeps down into the rocker and kind of just rolls on down, and that's what rots out your rocker panels.
Mm.
So we're gonna get all of that out.
Yeah, we made some progress in here too. Getting all those cut out, floorboard cut out. New ones to go in, laying here. Everything needs to be lined up and welded in, but making some good progress.
Right, so what we did on this side is we made a reverse sunroof.
Oh.
So you don't put a sunroof up there, you want to see the
You
ground.
got glass
So we did
bottom boated.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. See what you're floating over. Mm-hmm. First mud puddle, that might be a little difficult to see out of.
That's a good experience.
Oh well.
That's it.
Yeah. Come a long way. And got a long way to go. That piece there has to be put in. Another tail piece to go on the back section. This tank to go back in it. I think he's got too big a mess to straighten out, but maybe not. Maybe not. We'll see how it goes. He got a bad mess made, didn't he?
Yeah, he got holes all in the floor.
I know.
I'm trying. Where's AJ gonna sit?
His brakes went out and he's gonna pull a Fred Flintstone.
She'll Fall right through there. You gotta be careful in these old trucks. Well, it's ready for me over here. I got a perfect foothold.
That's what I was saying. It's not the right color to be a Flintstone vehicle anyway. Would you say it was almost what?
Decrustified.
Almost decrustified. In layman's terms, that means the rust is going away.
That's right.
Yeah.
Slowly but surely.
Little by little by little by little. Yeah, all those panels welded in, welded in, welded in, welded in. Making progress. Pretty good fitment on it so far. A little more to do before it's weldable.
Just a wee bit.
Yeah. Yep. Him getting all that welded in today, though, made a big difference. All that's welded in. Forward up there, welded. Yep. All tacked in. Yep. Mud buggy.
Yeah.
Yep, a little more substantial than it was. Even without that piece in it. Looking good. That's pretty good.
Decrustified.
Yeah. Ways to go, but still progress.
All right, this section is the dog leg. Now you've got some interior panel pieces that have been made to fit. You can see where kind of like on the edges there, like right there. Those are sections, I believe they do sell them, but we ended up making those. You can see that section right there with the door shutting really good. When you take that dog leg out, that's one of the first pieces that's gonna go. That is the quarter all welded in now. We've got our door gaps looking really good, shutting really good. Remember that the half moon section for the wheel well, that's one of your big areas you want to watch out for making that quarter panel suck in or dimple out too far, because you can move it in and out. But anyways, that's everything put in with the quarter now in primer. Got that looking really good. All the back end of it welded in. Basically ready for getting that interior pieces cleaned up to be able to finish it out. All right, guys, thanks for watching that video. Like I said, I've got some more that I'm gonna upload here soon. We'll get those out there to you and let you check that out. In the meantime, me and Norman, we've got to work on the Scout. It's gonna be really hard getting it finished. I'm gonna shake. All right, see, we're shaking, we're gonna finish it. Anyways, stay tuned. I'll send y'all this next video here soon.